In this video, we'll see how a platform called Dialoguewise can be used to host and manage the content of our apps. Dialoguewise is a cloud-based content management system that allows you to host, manage, and deliver your content to any platform, irrespective of the tech standards you use. It can also generate the content based on the context provided. You'll see exactly what we mean as we go through an example. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will take a look at a simple website that will allow you to order a pizza or a pasta. We can start by choosing an item. When you click Show Order, details about the order will appear. Behind the scenes, all we are doing here is telling Dialoguewise that we've selected a pizza with no drinks, and it generates the appropriate content and delivers it to the website. Let's just choose something else and try again. Changing the main dish to pasta and adding a drink will give an entirely different output when we click Show Order this time. If we log into our Dialoguewise account, we can see more details. This is what we would like to display on our site. However, we would want the content to change based on the selected options. For this, we would need to generate the content dynamically based on the selected options. Let's have a look at how we can make the content dynamic. This is the content template that we have. The hashtags here are called expression. Expressions allow you to generate content based on certain logic. If we click on the Expressions tab, we can see all the logic that goes into displaying the appropriate content. You may notice the @ symbol appearing throughout the expression. These are variables. In this case, variables are used in the expression so that you can execute parts of the expression based on the value of the variable. If we click on the Variables tab, we can see all the variables that are being used for this program. We'll have a detailed look at expressions and variables in our next video. Clicking the Preview tab will show how everything will be displayed on our website. The first thing we notice is that we need to enter variable values in order for it to generate content. We can go back to the Variables tab and enter dish type as pizza and 0 for no drinks. Now the preview will properly generate. As you can see, all the application needs to do is send the variable values and it can generate the content based on any logic. This gives users the flexibility to generate any type of content. Now, let's edit the content and see how it reflects on the website. By going back to the main page, we can click here to edit. We can make a simple change to the text to show that tax is included in the total. Click Next to continue the process, and once the changes are complete, you can see that there are two options, Pilot and Publish. Pilot allows you to test your content on non-production environments. This way, you can decide to make your content live once you are happy with it. Publish will apply the changes directly to your website. For this example, we'll go ahead and publish. Once you publish, the content should automatically update on your website. If we go back to our sample website and place the order again, we can see that it is immediately displaying our updated content. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of how to get started on Dialoguewise. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch with us through any of our social media platforms or email us directly.